How to download and install Telegram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily download and install Telegram app on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and search for Telegram app. And once you search for that, you can see the Telegram in the result. So simply tap on it. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the install button. And after tapping on it, the installation process will begin. So you just have to wait for some time for it to complete the installation. And once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on open to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.